Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. So let us draw this mission component. So we'll start from the top part, then we'll go down to create this part. So as is shown here, first it has been given two inner circles, this one and this one, with diameter of 10 units. So we'll create this one. So the first thing that you are going to do, go to circle, center diameter, and you have to draw a circle with diameter of 10 units, like this. So if you measure this one, just it is 10 units as this shown here. Then next to what we are going to do, just let us draw a center line here from the center of the circle, just down, and also another center line here, just like this. So the next thing what you are going to do, just there is an outer circle, this one with radius of 10. So let us draw another circle with radius, center radius, then you have to hold it at the center here, and you have to use radius 10 units. So this is the second outer circle. So now we can trim because this just okay, we can keep it as this, and let us go down there. We can create a straight line down until 20 plus 50 to 70 units. So let us go down here, draw a line, hold it here at the end, and go down with 70 units, like this. Then after finishing, just let us go here. It is 70 down, but after 70, as it is shown here, this is the midpoint. This is 10 units, and this means this area is 10 units. So we have to go 20 units to the other side, to this side, 20 units, like this. So that means this is the point in which this circle will be. We have to draw this circle at this point. So with a diameter of 22, we have to draw another circle, center diameter, we have to draw here 22, right? Diameter of 22, we have to draw a circle. Then after that, what we are going to do, just we have to go, if it is, this one is 20, so we have to move 20 units to the other side to create the other line. So let us go just 20 units here from this center to the other side, 20 units, and then let us go up until 50, because this is 50 units. You see, we went here, we reached here 20 units, and we have to move 50 units. You see, this is 50 to find this center of the other circle. So 50 units up. Then after 50 units, we have to move how much units this outer circle is with radius 10. You see, this is 10. That means the outer circle is 10 radius. So we have to move 10 units to the inside. 10 units, like this. So that means this point is the center of this circle, the center of this circle. So we have to draw inner circle with diameter of 10. So center, diameter, then we have to draw this with diameter of 10 units. And we have to draw this outer circle. This is outer circle with radius of 20. So let us go center, radius. We have to draw here with radius of 10 units. Yeah, so we finished creating all the three circles. So next, what we are going to do, just let us join this part, a straight line like this. And let us create this part. And next, what you are going to do, you have to create this part. This part is the only point, the only radius it is given to create the fillet is radius 6 here, and some other place also the same thing, radius 6. So the only dimension given is radius 6. So we have to use radius 6 to create this portion. So what you are going to do, you have to use fillet command, then you have to click, you have to give radius. Radius is just 6 units. You have to write 6 units here, enter. Then zoom this portion, just then click here, then click here. Yeah, so this portion is created, this part is created as shown here. Then next, what you are going to do, just you can trim unwanted part from this. Yeah, so this is removed, and you can also remove this part, and you can remove this thing. Now here also you can keep it as this, just to define it as a center line if you want, but for now you can remove this part as shown here. So we created this one, and then you have to remove this one also, not required here. So next, what we are going to do, just using this as a center also, we can draw this outer circle. This outer circle as is shown here, it is given 116 millimeter diameter, so we have to use circle center diameter. You have to use this as a center, and you have to draw with 116, right? So as is shown here, we created this outer circle, and you can trim this part as is shown here. So this is the part. Then next, what you are going to do, as is shown here, here also the same thing. There is one line here with a radius of 40 units. So let us draw that with 40 units. So let us draw a circle with radius, hold it at the center, and let us draw with 40 mm radius. So this is the other circle. Then after that, how we define this one? You can first, you have to create this at 45 degree, a line with 45 degrees. So to create that line, let us go to line command, hold it at the center, and auto off. Then it is flexible now. Then what you are going to do, you have to use shift and add. So it must write the add here, the add command. Then after that, you have to give the dimension. I don't want to keep the line inside, so I want to keep the line outside. So you can give any dimension outside of the radius of this one. So let us keep it just 64 as is shown here. Then after that, use less than symbol, shift less than, you see, less than. Then you have to give the angle. The angle is, it is below the x-axis, so it will be minus 45 degree. You see now it is minus 45 degree. It is created. Then next, you can also just create a line like this, a center line, ortho on, and a certain line like this. Then what you are going to do, just you can mirror this line. You can mirror command, click this one, enter, and you have to give the mirror center. You have to use this line. So this is a mirror. Then now we created this line. After created this line, remember this circle is part of this circle represents this one, which is 40 with radius of 40 units. So that means this is a circle. So what you are going to do, you can trim this portion. We don't need this one for now. We don't need this. What we need is just this curve, because it shows us it is starting from this 45 degree and reaching here. And using this point as a center, we'll create a circle with radius of 10 and with a radius of 18 units. So what you are going to do, just go to a circle, center radius, use this as a center, and create a circle with radius of 10. So let's like this, circle radius of 10, like this. And you can copy this one, go to copy command here. So copy this circle, hold it at the center, and keep it here, right? So now what you are going to do, just there is no any dimension given, because there is no radius for this. It is not given. What you are going to do, you have to join the endpoints of one circle to the endpoint of the other. You have to use this dimension as radius, from this point to this point as radius, or from this point to this point as radius, and join these curves. So what you are going to do, go to circle, center radius, hold it here, the center of your circle, then as it is shown here, you see now it is joined these two parts. And the same thing, center radius, hold it here, and you see this one. So now we created this part is touching the inner portion, this one, and this part is touching the outer portion. Then trim, you can trim this portion as it is shown here, and this one, so trim this one like this. Now you can remove this thing, you see this one. So you can use this one, you can change maybe the line just like this, and you see this one, this is part of the object. Then next what you are going to do, just you see this one with 18 radius, we have to draw another outer circle. Then you have to go to circle with radius of 18 units, circle with radius of 18, just like this, 1 8 like this, and the same thing to the other side also, just this as the center, 18 units radius. Then what you are going to do, just you have to trim this portion, this part you have to trim here, and you have to trim this part here also, this one, yeah. So next what you are going to do, you have to extend these lines, both lines like this, go here, extend this line just like this. After extending, what you are going to do, you see this one radius 6, you have to fillet it with radius of 6. Go to fillet command, and you have to give fillet radius 6 units, enter, then fillet this part with 6 units, and enter, fillet this part with 6 units. You see now we finished our object. So you can create this object by using this method. I think there is no any other thing missing. So you can give dimensions now. If you give dimensions, just this one is like this,